Good evening, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, whichever country you're connecting from. You're welcome to the weekly market review. All right, so it's the last Sunday of the month of October. Yeah, and a lot has been happening in this month. So then we have this last week, this remaining week for the month. So we're going to be looking into the market and see how the market is going to close for October and resume for November. All right, so the year is fast running and we just have like 2 months left. So are you ready to make more money? Or if you actually not made money from the market, are you looking forward to make money from the market? Well, it's not too late. Anyway, you just have to put in the necessary seriousness and dedication to the right course. All right, so that you can have the desired results that you are expecting from. One thing that I assure people and let them to know that what gives me confidence is that there is money in Forex. There is money in what? Forex. Secondly, can the Forex market ever crash? No, it can never crash. So that is one thing that gives me a very fantastic assurance. So what are we talking about? All what I do is to chase the right knowledge, in which I did during my time, and I'm still doing. Even as your mentor, I still study. Yes, I study to get better. No man is an island of knowledge. Okay. So I still do my findings, do my study, improve myself. I said to you all that have been participating, I said to you all that until I start making my first $1 million in a month, I don't think I've arrived yet. As long as when I arrive at that point of making at least $1 million in a month, then I will not mind that. Yes, yes, yes. I don't see money for Forex. I'm not talking about Naira. I'm talking about dollars. All right. In Forex, you do with dollars and not local currency. We only use our local currencies whenever I want to purchase something or run day-to-day activities. All right. But basically, our earning is from what? The dollars. We earn money from dollars. Okay. So guys, yeah, that is the kind of a mindset that you should have. Lasisi, relax. You just come on board and you're just, spilling this thing out. Calm down. After the class, you just send me a message. Okay, that is not a problem. All right, testimony is good to have you here. A very, very loyal student of ours that is always here. Very fantastic boy. Don't worry, I have my eyes on you. Great shot. Said no leave, no transfer. JC said, body the odds. All right, so guys, we have a very fantastic outlook this week, trust me. And the interesting part is that it actually pops up in my favorite pair, which is the JPY pairs. All right, so we have a fantastic setup this week. In as much there is a massive confidence in this week's outlook, it doesn't mean you shouldn't apply proper risk management. You should apply proper risk management. You know, it's not our father that owns the Forex market, okay? So the market looks very, very good. So I'm really ready to flip accounts this week. No chills. I must wrap up this October in a very standard way. All right. So it has a very fantastic setup on JPY pairs. I have not looked into USD pairs, yeah, but we are going to look into it from you guys' suggestions. You know, we're going to give room for you guys' suggestions that we can look into the market that has a great setup. Not like you just open your mouth and say, check CAD, CHF. No, you don't just open your mouth. I believe people that are here are Forex traders. Probably you are intermediate, beginner, or advanced trader. You suggest pair that you know that you've checked that has good potential, so we can review it together. You understand? Okay, so if you are a newbie here, well, I understand that you may not understand what we're doing very well. You may not get it 100%, but I invited you over as I normally do to people who are just coming in new. I invite you over so that you can see what the market is like, you know, what you still have in front of you to learn. Okay, and you can also be in a gathering of people who are successful traders, advanced traders, intermediate traders, so you too can learn one or two from them. All right, so the purpose of the weekly market review is to assist traders around the world to, you know, to be doing well in forex trading. Let me tell you the reality of life. We have 90% of losers in the forex market. You know that, right? 90% of losers and 10% winners. Do you think it's easy to get on the 10%? Do you know why? One of the reasons is that there are lots of wrong lessons about forex out there. So many fake mentors that are not even profitable. Think about it. You can't give what you don't have. When your students are not profitable, it means that you are not profitable. If you have the record of massive profitable student, means that, yeah, this mentor is doing very well. And I'm so glad to be one of those people who are actually successful and are replicating to other people across the world. One of the latest guy with the hot now, his name is Gospel, probably will be on the cast. Now in the hot now, guy they do things. I invited him over to the office and we had a discussion. I gave him a multi-millionaire deal. So that's one of the benefits of being in FX Media Forex Academy. There are lots of opportunity for you to make money for yourself. Okay, so just be good in trading, be loyal, be, you know, honest. Yeah, but most importantly, be good in trading. So I gave him multi-millionaire deal, so he's going to blow up massively. He has already blown, but you know, you get level, blowing up gets level. So the level I want him to get into is something else. Okay, so yeah, and that is how it is. He flipped a $1,000 account to $6,000. Yeah, this guy makes 6 to 7 figures in a day. Yeah, does he lose? Of course he loses, but at the end of the week, is he profitable? Yes, is profitable. That is the goal. That is what makes you a good businessman. Okay, when you have less losses and what maximum profit. So whenever you take away your loss from your profit, you still have profit. Okay, so that's what makes you a good businessman. Trading is what is a business because it involves what profit and loss. Anything that involves profit and loss is what is called a business, isn't it? Yeah. So for you to be good, you need to have a very solid knowledge about any business you are going into. Okay, so same thing in trading. Trading has, you know, a very fantastic knowledge base. So if you can put effort in a university course that you know that at the end of the year or at the end of the study period, they say that there's light at the end of the tunnel, right? By the time you get to the tunnel, they will don't have lights. Therefore, they don't take light. You know that, right? But trading is something that gives you an opportunity that there is light at the end of the tunnel. Nobody go off light except you use your hand to off your light by yourself. If you actually go through the right source to learn Forex, fantastic. Adakole Sam said, your teaching is so understandable. Thank you for that, Sam. Thank you. Blessed FX said, now you be Baba. All right. Sunday Patrick said, boss, I predict buy on XAU USD. Fantastic. We are going to look into it. We'll look into it. Anyway, XAU USD, which is an abbreviation for gold, has been buying for months now, creating new all-time highs. All right. Yeah. So we're going to look into that. But firstly, we're going to look into markets, the JPY pairs. Yeah. In one of the FS Media group, I saw someone drop something. Said I should have the market reviewed. I want to grow his account this week. I just smiled. I don't know if you are here. If you are here, indicates the guy that said that he wants to grow his small account or something. Okay. So if you are yet to create a trading account for yourself, you can look below this video or check out any of FS Media video on the platform, on our YouTube platform. You can click the link to register. Use the promo code FXmedia28. So we promote a broker that offers you everything that you need to be successful in trading, most especially trading real money. Then FX Media offers you the right education and right tools like signals, copy trading, and the rest. Okay, but for you to effectively trade the market, you need to use a broker, and FS Media is in partnership with the right broker that has the interest of the people at heart. All right. So you should have created a TENTRADE account, one of which it gives you an opportunity to be part of a lot of products that FS Media has. Okay, so it gives you an opportunity when you must have signed up with our link using our promo code. JC said TENTRADE is the best. Thank you for that. TENTRADE is the best. Fantastic. Okay. Gracious Stephanie, this is your goat. Your goat is not goating, Mosia. This goat, it gets more killer. This one will be goat now. Goat. All right, Gracious, good to have you. I remember you in my class yesterday. That's fantastic. Okay. Adiyemi said I signed up yesterday on TENTRADE. Now, it's not just about signing up. It's about taking a step. Using the account, either you're buying a prop firm account or you are trading with your money. There's a difference between you trading with your actual money that you funded and purchasing a prop firm account. So if you fund a $1,000, you can trade with your $1,000. If you want to purchase a prop account, that's a funded account, you can take some and purchase an account. But remember, I said do not stop profit in your prop account. Always remember that. Don't stop profit in your prop account. When you make money, you withdraw to your wallet, then you can fund your normal life account and trade. The idea is to grow your portfolio. Grow your portfolio, your actual money. Actual money that, okay, if I'm saying $50,000 here, it means that it is my money. All of them is my money, not a funded account. You understand? So when you trade a funded account, you don't keep your profit there. You can withdraw some to do some other things. But remember, firstly, you're an investor as a Forex trader. You plan to grow your equity. Equity means capital, in case you don't know what we're talking about. You plan to grow your equity because it gives you an advantage of making much more money in the market. Because the 10% of a $300 is not the same thing with the 10% of a $3,000. The one with the $3,000 tends to have more opportunities to blow up, right? Because of, in trading, we deal with percentage. That is why I have to apply proper risk management. So if you cannot trade small accounts, you cannot trade big accounts. So that is it. So we deal with percentage. Yeah. So when you take 10% of 3K, you're having $300, right? The other person takes the 10% of $300. What does it get? 30K, $30, right? So you can't compare the two. The one with 3K will blow up. Lasisi said, boss, I withdraw today $70. That's progress. That's good. Don't be ashamed of your withdrawal. It's not a problem. I even posted withdrawals today of some persons who made withdrawals. I think 500, 700, The one I posted this week, someone made $4,000 plus withdrawal. Real money. People are really making money. Yeah, there are people withdrawing 10K, 15K, 20K from the market. Okay, it's very possible. Yeah, it's possible. These people started out like started out as newbies, and what's up? They are doing remarkably well. If you're just hearing Forex for the first time, and you look at your account balance and you're proud of it from January to this period, you got to wake up. Wake up. Don't sleep. Collect your money. Remember Peace Daniel's song. Don't sleep. Wake up. Okay? You got to do the necessities for yourself so you can what? Climb to limelight. So that is it. Trading is fantastic. Nobody asks you to be bringing people before you see money. Nah. No, it is you versus the knowledge in your versus your phone and the market. So that is it. Please, okay. I mean, how can I verify my TENTRADE account? You verify with your NIN and your proof of address. Your proof of address, you can get it from your bank statements containing your house address. Okay, so that is it. I believe I've attended to that. So let's go into the market. If I have other things I want to share with you, I've shared. So, but let's dive right into the market. Okay, JPY pairs has one direction, which is a buy. But before I look into AUDJPY, let me look at the first pair we have on our list today, which is GBPJPY. Now, please don't be using low mode, what should they call them? Low quality on your YouTube when you are watching streams. Don't do that. Increase your quality to high quality so you can see clearly. Don't be saying you go look screen like this. Instead of it to see bullish engulfing candle, you go see bearish because of your low quality. Don't go buy when people sell. Forex not hard. Now you go buy when people sell. We all know that, right? So please use good quality. Okay, thank you. All right, so we have GBPJPY, that's GJ. Yeah, has a very fantastic setup. So using this top-down analysis, which is one of the best strategy in trading price action. All right, so we have a fantastic setup right from time. I already know that this is what is going to happen because remember when, guys, take a look, we've started already. Take a look, when we were trading this market, we were buying. We're buying. Now, there is something that you guys need to understand. A principle. I'm not supposed to share this principle because it's not a paid class. I'll just share this one with you. I'll just only that one. The thing you need to understand is that when there is a quick rally up to the top, there'll be a corresponding rally down. That is it. Or is a pari passu. If you have a quick rally down, there'll be a corresponding what? Rally up. So that is what simply happened right here. There was a quick rally up like this, just a little lower high and higher high, a little. So people who were trying to still buy, I was a victim too. I was still buying from here. We got shut out, market retraced back. We bought again, still retraced. We tried to buy again, it retraced, broke out of trend. I just left it like that and waited for the main structure. And now we have our structure. Where is the structure? Hold on, let me erase this. I'll try as much as possible not to take time today. I'll just try. All right. So where is our structure? Here is it. The major structure. Remember, we're on day one time frame. Yeah. This is a what? A double bottom. Right? Those of you in a mentorship class, I'm giving you guys different kind of double bottom that you have. You can have the one that are on the same level, like this, a pure W, or you have the one that is like this. SMC traders will call it break of structure. Okay, like this. Then you also have another one that is like this. No, not this one. Now, this one I just drew here is what has happened here already, which is this. This one is a little bit lower than this. So like I said, SMC trader, I will call it BOS or chalk. I guess it's BOS. So this is what we have here, this particular W. So these are the three kinds of W you have. That's a double bottom. So on a higher time frame, when you have a structure like this, what do you think is going to happen when it takes out what? The neckline. And where is the neckline? The neckline is here. If you are not understanding what we are doing, you've not had an opportunity to enroll in a very right class, a structured class. You have an opportunity to enroll in FS Media Forex Academy. Send me a message directly from YouTube or go to my Instagram. Send me a message right there. That's David 28. You can send me a message on Instagram. Ensure you enroll. It's for your own good. Don't do mago. If you do mago, that's how your money to do mago and leave. So you learn structurally. Forex market is not tomato selling. Okay, it's not pepper. All right, so we have the neckline that was taken out, and this is a fantastic setup. You can see we're already buying. Those of us in the funded traders group, you can see we're in profit here. We've been holding since, and we are going to hold till it gets here. Do you know how many pips is that? We're talking about 1,247 pips. Guys, that's super crazy. Even if you use a 0.01 and you've been buying from where we bought initially, you would have made how much? You would have made a quality money. Or even use a 0.1. A 0.1 lot. That is this 0.1. If you use a 0.1, you buy with just that one position. So it means that you'll be having what? You'll be having 1,247,000. Sorry, $1,247 here. So that's what you have in profit once a market gets to this position. And guess what? Is it going to get there? Most likely. But let's look at this. If you notice, when I share this chart, we already have an analysis on why, because I share the setup in the funded traders group. I'm already milking GBPJPY. If you're not in the funded traders group, you know what to do. Ensure you've signed up with FS Media promo code. Using FS Media 28, fund your account or purchase a funded account. Please, if you want to trade normal money, you don't want to purchase a funded account, please fund reasonable money. You know, if you say you go fund $2, fund the time you say I should add the funded traders group. I will come on your teeth. Smart Comedy, I've answered this your question. I say, how can I verify my TENTRADE account? Please, I need to. I've told you. I've said it. Good evening, boss. How much is your mentorship? Send me a message on Instagram. We'll have more information on that. Boss, can one still trade with $3,000 after passing the evaluation? Yes. When you pass an evaluation, you still have what? You'll be gotten funded with what? A $3,000 account. So that is the idea of it. Okay. So how do I get a TENTRADE account? You get it. Go to www.fsmediatrade.com. I'll type it here. Or should we see it ourselves? Let us see it. All right, so here we have FS Media for fsmediatrade.com website. So once you log in, www.fsmediatrade.com. Once you log in, you scroll down. People are paying attention. You scroll down. There are free courses there for beginners class. If free courses that we have, so you have about 20 of them. You can go through them. All right, so you scroll down to where we have TENTRADE. So we said get your funded prop firm account or evaluation account here. So you click join now. Once you click join now, to take you to where you're going to register. So now, if you want to subscribe directly to our YouTube channel, you can come here, subscribe now. But you should have subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you're not joining it, click the subscription button, turn on your notification. Yeah, like and share this video. Okay, so you can encourage us to have more profitable content like this, because no one is paying me to do this live. TENTRADE is not paying me. I'm not paying myself to be here. You understand? So it's just something that I'm taking my own time to do for you guys. Okay. So okay, let's click on join now to see where to take us to. All right, so you can see straight up to your registration details. You fill all this information. Don't forget to put the promo code FXmedia28 in small letters. So once you do that, boom, you verify your account with your NIN and proof of address. Your proof of address, I said earlier, is what? Your bank statement that contains your house address. Okay, their bank statement that doesn't come with house address. So you have to shine your eyes there. Okay, so that is it. Okay, Aquaria is asking a question. 18 plus can trade the markets. 18 plus. Okay, I'm seeing a question. I should do more light on section, on per section. I don't understand your question. Success. I don't understand that question. All right, so let's go back to the chart. So we go down towards 4 hours time frame. Fantastic setup we have here. Fantastic one. We are still on GBP trade. GB. So as you can see, we have what? A continuation pattern. All right. If you've done a structured learning from FX Media, you should know what these lines are. The breakout that happened right here, you know, the breakouts, and what we have a retest for me here. And this retest for me, what we've had a retest right here. Let's go to lower time frame. That's the 1 hour time frame. Here. So this is what we have. Market has retested this level, this support zone 1, 2, 3, right? So we have a resistance zone that has formed here. So what are we expecting market to do? For me, we have a structure that was broken here. We have this break. So we expect market to break out of this zone like this, to break out. Either it breaks out without retesting up to this level and come down to ride, to continue buying, or it breaks out and retests a little, then push. So there are two ways at which you can go. Or listen, it can come down based on session opening. I think that's what's most likely going to happen since market is opening for a fresh start. Tonight at 10 p.m. So during the Asian session, we see what will happen over the night. It may come for a retest, but one thing is assured, there's going to be a breakout, whether we like it or not. But as we normally do, we will wait for market to open to see our entries. Our bias is what? Buy. So we look for where to buy in the right way, so we can have our proper risk management. That's those of you that want to just jump into the trade. We were already holding the trade for swing. I'll still take trades based on what day trading, you know, with smaller accounts. For large accounts, we've already taken our trades and we're in good profit. So we're still holding. So most likely we're going to hold these trades in December on swing accounts, and I'll post the profits that we must have made right there. All right, so we go to 30 minutes time frame to see what's going to happen. All right, so we're having a structure there. Fantastic. I go down to 15 minutes. Now here's the structure we're having. We're having a flag. Oh, so this is fantastic. So most likely we're going to have a break. So this is a flag. I've taught you guys flag. Those of you that attended the structural class, mentorship class here. So this is a flag that happened. So we're expecting a breakout. Fantastic, fantastic. Yeah, fantastic. So where is our entry for those people that want to join in? You can have, we wait for market to open anyway. So this is like, let's play safer side. If you want to continue swinging, we'll do about 40 pips risk. Why we target to the higher place, the next swing high. So this is what I'm talking about, the next swing high. Okay. So what I did a lower time frame is for those people that want to jump into the trade. I'll go back there. Want to jump into the trade. You wait for what? There's going to breakout that's going to happen from this flag. And once it happens, we are going up, going to the upside. Okay. Busayo Basira said amazing. Like you're catching it, right? Thank you, Dico Blade. He said don't forget news. Thank you for that reminder. Let's go and check news. So we don't trade blindly. Okay. We don't share them. Yeah, Friday is NFP. Yeah, that's true. So let's go and check our FS. Okay, Monday, October the 28th. Remember that based on the strategy, one of the strategy of using fundamentals to trade is that we pay attention to the high impact news. They are the one that has much more effect to the market. So on Monday, what do we have? Okay, don't have anything important on Monday. So Monday, your analysis will work well, your technicals will work well. So Tuesday, we have high impact news on USD. Okay, you pay attention to USD. USD news. Let's see what that. Think what did they say it's all about? United States jobs job opening. Okay. All right. So let's go back. So Wednesday, we have an interesting news on AUD. So we are going to be analyzing AUD, so we'll know what's up. That's CPI for AUD per Australian dollar per the CPI. Oh, you Wednesday. So Wednesday is an interesting day. A lot of news dropping impact. So you're looking at your fundamentals very well from Tuesday to Wednesday. So let's look out for Wednesday is jam-packed. Why? Because it's actually the last period of the month. And it's usually like that. You have a lot of news. So Thursday, AUD high impact. You don't trade China matters. This is China's currency, CNY. Don't trade that. So JPY has an interesting news talking about BOJ interest rate decision. Okay, so you're going to know about their interest rate, whether it's going to go up, or it's going to go down, whether they're in profit, or whether in loss, to see how they can cut their expenses. you know, and see how far they've gone in their profit making. Okay. Well, all through this week, you shine your eyes. You open. So strategy to do so. If you have a technical setup ready before the news drop, maybe a couple of hours before the news drop, you can take your trades, but ensure you exit your trade before the news drops, or you wait for the news to drop before you start trading. You understand? So that is one way you can trade. The other ways to trade fundamentals. Now, I'm not going to say it here. This is not a paid class. Okay. All right. Thursday, we have USD, jobless claims, 4 week, personal spending, initial price index. Amazing for September. A review about that. Okay. So in the previous period, that was last thing in August, you have 0.2%. And okay, 0.4. There's a little bit increase in this in personal spending. Okay. But this was even. All right. Then Friday, the real day, NFP, NFP, NFP. Where is it? Here is it. One of the organs of fundamental NFP. Always remember to trade with caution. Very high impact news. All right, so we've looked at it. The summary of the matter is that from Tuesday, we pay close attention to fundamentals before taking any trades. Okay, so you'll not be surprised that you are in profit and all of a sudden you are in loss. You get it? So you don't trade blindly. You trade with fundamentals. Either you're in the market before the fundamental drops, or you wait till after the fundamental before you trade. Okay? Yeah. All right. So let's go back to the chart. So we go to the next pair, USDJPY. I hope you guys are getting value and you're getting ready. Try as much as possible to make money for this week. Try. Don't be looking like zombie. Don't be say go get trading account. You know they make money. As they did not fund the accounts. You are joking. You're not serious. Done a lot of giveaway for a lot of you guys, giving you guys 3K, 3K, 3K accounts. So I don't know when next that one is going to be again. But don't hope on giveaway. Start making money. Start making money. Even the giveaway itself. It's not small money that is being spent in the giveaway. All right. So we go to higher time frame, identify the trend of AUDJPY. So we have a common trend, which is a what? A buy move. In which that same W, we have that W as said. We have that W. So you can see how market is progressing up to this point. So we expect markets to definitely get to this high. Normal. But it's going to take weeks. From now to December, most likely. Let's see. From now to December. But now, how are we going to enter? I'm not in the trade yet. I'm not. So let's see how we can enter AUDJPY and ride. Like I said, as a forex trader, you're an investor. You should have account for swing. You just take swing and you have the one for the trade. The one that you hold from now to 1 month later or 2 months, and the one you trade on a daily basis or weekly basis. So you're an investor, you have multiple accounts and ensure money is there. Okay, so where are we going to be entering from? We're able to identify the trend. You've seen my setups right here. Okay. All right. This trend line connects. We have a consolidation here. What is likely going to happen in this place? We go down to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, can't see clearly. Go to 1 hour. Let's go to 4 hours. Okay. We have a bearish engulfing candle that broke out of this trend line, and another bearish candle that broke out of this trend line. What do you think is going to happen to the market? What is going to happen? Well, back to 15 minutes time frame. We have a support. This is the main support. This one that happened is to take traders out. Is to take traders out. That is the one that happened here. Okay. So, all right. So I expect markets to continue to the top. Remember, we are only speculators. Okay. We don't own the forex markets. We predict where the market is going to go. Doesn't mean that it always goes to that direction. That is why we ensure we apply proper risk management. If not, we'll just trade anyhow, knowing fully whether it's going to go to our direction. Okay. So, but we don't trade like that. We trade with caution. We apply proper risk management. So expect markets to continue the trend to buy up. But what are we going to do? We don't have an entry right now. We wait for market to open, the Asian section to settle. Then in London section, we look out for setup. Those of us that are in the funded traders group will get the setup. Once we have a setup during London session, we drop. If we don't have a setup, we wait for New York session. But the overall market that we're looking out for it to play out is what? To buy. Okay, but we don't just buy anyhow. Wait for a proper entry. So let's look into another JPY pair. NZDJPY. All right, you guys can start suggesting where you want us to look into. All right, USDJPY. Yeah, I saw this earlier. This has a very fantastic setup. So this one, you can even start buying when market open. You can start buying. Very fantastic setup. We have a W here, as you can see, like this. I say W, head and shoulder. Left leg, right leg, then head, right? As you can see that, right? So basically, we have markets here to have broken above this strong zone, this strong resistance. So what are we expecting? There's a retest that has happened, and we expect market to keep buying up. So we go to lower time frame of 4 hours and see. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. We have a trend. We have a market has been expecting this trend. It broke out here, come for retest, creating a double bottom. I'm sure that's what has happened there. So let's check it more in a lower time frame, 30 minutes. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic setup. I think this is one I'm going to be taking the trade first. So we already have a breakout, trend line breakout here. This trend line has been taken away. So we expect markets to ride. We expect market to start buying from here. Okay. So let's check out how many pips is that. Since it's a swing, I'm going to be using about 83.6 pips since it's a swing, because markets may try to want to come to this level. So I'll just take precautions. If it comes to this level, I have my trend line and I have my horizontal support to push it back up. So a swing trade, I'll have 83.6 pips. Then I'll hold till where? We go back to the 1 time frame. So this is where I hold to. But GBPJPY pairs just look so sweet. So for me, yeah, I'm going to be buying up to that place. Yeah. So this is 958 pips. I'm going to start buying either in Asian section if I'm still awake, or London. I'll start buying. I'm not into this trade. I'll swing trade. Then during the week, if there is opportunity for the trade, I do trade too, because I have multiple accounts as an investor since I'm a Forex trader. That is how you too should be. Okay, that is that for AUDJPY. Are you kidding me? What am I saying? You're not seeing my screen. How? Really? Jeez. How is that possible? I'm sharing again. Can we see it now? Can we see it now? All right, beautiful. So sorry about that. I do not know. When I'm analyzing the market, I don't get to see charts pop up. But it is not. I say for over 30 minutes. Are you kidding me? Yee. Jeez. That's not from my end, because checking it, it was actually being shared. So sorry. So sorry. It's not my fault. So I was talking about USDJPY. So on a higher time frame, I said that we have markets who have been trending upward. Then what now happened here? So market came to a very strong support zone, creating an head and shoulder pattern here. Left shoulder, right shoulder, and head. So because of this, market broke above, retested, came here, broke again, then a retest on this strong resistance that turned to support. So this is where we're getting our entry from. So we go to lower time frame of what? 1 hour. Let's go. So here we have the 1 hour time frame. So then I drew this trend line here that we have markets to have expected this trend line, bouncing, bouncing. It broke out of here, came for a test, and is now creating a series of double bottom. So let's expand. A series of double bottom, it has retested 1, 2, 3, and it's what? Rallying up, like it is building up momentum, which has taken out this level a little bit. Okay, so we go to 30 minutes, or let's go 15 minutes. All right, so we have this. So I said that we have a trend line here that does 1, 2, 3, and we had a breakout from this resistance that turned to support now. So we're expecting markets to continue rallying up as seen. So then I said, since I'm swing trading, what do? I'm going to be risking about 83.6 pips on this trade. I'm going to be holding from now to December. Let's see. I know how many profits. So, but for this week, we should expect markets to get to this high. Market to get to this high if fundamental does not come into place. This level, that's this support zone, this resistance zone. So let's check how many pips it's going to be. This is a good pips, nine pips, 90 pips. 90 pips. That is basically 25.8 pips is cool. 90 pips for day traders, then 83.6 for swing traders. Okay. But I think this 25 pips is risky. So I'll just do it at 30.5. It's a good risk to reward ratio. That's 1 ratio 3. So it's a good risk to reward ratio for day traders this week. Price is likely going to come to this level. Fantastic. And for swing traders, like I said, risking about 83.6 pips. Why? In case anything that stops to come down to this level, I have my psychological level here, and then my trend line. Both of them pulled together will create a massive push to the upside to continue the trend. And what overall trend of the markets, we expect markets to get to where the higher, the all-time high that USDJPY has created. So we expect market to get there, as you can see, and that will give us how many pips? About 958 pips. Fantastic. If you use only a 0.1 lot, you've made $958. Okay, so not to not talk of if you use one standard lot. For those of us that have big accounts, EGB, just check it out. That's crazy dollars. Crazy, man, very crazy. I'm only picturing it like this. I don't blow. All right, beautiful. Are you kidding me? Screen is gone again. Hey, what do you mean they do this one? This is new. New, how far now? How far now? This is not my doing, man. I think it's a glitch from YouTube. Are you kidding me? That's weird. Check. Is it showing there? Let me check my phone. It's showing now. It's showing on my phone now. It's showing on my phone now. All right, so let's proceed. I'll be monitoring it from my own phone here. I'll be monitoring it. If it goes off, I will know. All right, so this is what I'm actually talking about. right. So I said that for day traders, we are taking our trade from here. I'll go to lower time frame, 15 minutes. Here, for day traders, so we are taking our trade from here. We're risking about 30.5 pips to target 90.4 pips. That's a good risk to reward ratio of what? 1:3, isn't it? So that's a fantastic one. Then for swing traders, we have what? 83.6 pips risk. We are targeting about 958 pips. So I said that if you use a zero point 0.1 and you hold to 958 pips, that means you'll be making about $958. If you're using a one standard lot, that should give you like a $9,000, 580. All right. So that's what I was initially saying. So this is for day traders and this is for swing traders. That is it. So, but firstly, we wait for market to open. If I'm still awake, I'll take it to the Asian section. If I see a setup, if nothing has happened, or maybe I missed it, I slept off, fine. You know, markets always do retracement. I'll wait for re-entry and I will fall into the trade. To those of us in the foreign traders group, who will see setup on this. Now, on foreign traders group, I drop signal, I drop setup. Why do I do that? Because there are times that I may not be on the market to see setup. Sorry, to see that the signal is ready. And those of you that are there, I know you're already trading. So you should know when to enter from the setup. So if I don't drop signal, so you should know. That is why it's important that you know Forex trading before you join a signal room. So if I make a mistake, you even know that, okay, I made a mistake in the SL or TP. No be person wey no sabi Forex when they take signals. I've said this everywhere I go that I beat my chest. If you don't know Forex trading, you can never make money from signal, even if the people giving you signals are very good. You wouldn't make money. Yes, except you know trading. You know trading. You may not be profitable, but you know trading. At least you can take if you have a good signals coming to you, you make money off of it. But when you don't know shit, you never make money. Okay, I'm saying it's not showing. No. I'm saying mixed up. It's showing. It's not showing. It's showing on my own end. Alpha, alpha. It's showing now. It's showing. It's like some of you are not in the current updates. Some of you are watching from back. Don't be watching from back. Watch from current where I am. Not that you be confusing me with your chat. Some of you will be in the back, maybe like 5 minutes away or 15 minutes away, and we've dealt with that matter. You don't know that when you send a comment, it will be reflecting on the present one, and it will be giving us a very wrong direction. All right. So let's suggest. Okay, let's look into AUD USD. How many minutes have I done? You said I've used 1 hour. Okay. So let's look into USD and gold. We're stopped out by gold. Interesting. We're stopped out here, but still, oh, this is not. We're stopped out, but still buying. Is gold going to get here? Definitely. It's going to get up here. But let's see where we can enter from gold. Let's go to lower time frame. We had a breakout here. So use our Fibonacci to know where market is going to retrace. We expect market to retrace down here and push up. All right. So what do? We don't just start buying blindly. We wait for a retracement to come back to this zone before we ride our trend. But is gold going to get to this place up here? Definitely. Let's check how many, whether it's a good one for us. All right. So we should have our entry from this retest, from where market retest here. But anyway, we will pay closer attention to it. So I'll send this to, I'll send all this setup to the founder traders group. All right, so that is it. I'm just going to pick one pair from you guys' suggestion. Which pair do you want us to look into? Let's see. One suggest, guys, the one that has good setup. Suggest. The one with the highest appearance is what I'm going to pick. Franklin, are you in the past? I'm suggesting JPY, GBPJPY. Please don't just open your mouth to suggest. Okay? Ensure you have already checked it and it has potential. Who is shouting synthetic? We're not using synthetic, man. How you get a funded? So see, it's very important that whenever I start a class, you start up at the same time. I have addressed this funded accounts and addressed GBPJPY. That was the first pair I look into. Yes, you don't just come in at the middle of class to disrupt the class. See what's going to happen. I'm not, if I don't answer something on the comment section, know that I've addressed it before. That's what we're doing. I'll not be allowing this thing to take us backward. I'm not going to re-explain myself. You are aware of the market review. I gave an info yesterday and I still reminded you guys today. So why should you come late and still be dragging us back? Okay, I think I've seen the one that appears most, AUD So let's look at AUD If it doesn't have setup, I drop. I don't really like AUD It's too choppy. It's too choppy. Okay. This guy is too choppy. I don't like this AUD It's too choppy. What do I mean by choppy? It ranges too much. Ranges too much. I can get stopped out and see just man. I got stopped out here. Got stopped out here. Ah. I mean, what is it's ranging? More, no, but I'm not looking into that. So which other one that is okay? I'm saying AUD USD. All right, higher time frame. We identify the trend first. Okay. Ikechi Kelvin, send me a message on Instagram after the class. So I'll get to verify you and add you to the funded trader. All right. We had markets at this place at the resistance level. Touch one, touch two, touch three, touch four, boom, dumping. So what do we have? We have a market ranging. So we go to lower time frame. Here is an important zone that you have to shine your eyes for. Here, this breakout. That is this place here. This breakout here. You know, this is a W. You said, no, a head and shoulder that broke out, came for retest and push up, right? You need to watch out that level. It's an interesting level. So we're expecting markets to do what? To drop from here down. But before we do that, let's check the entry. Obviously, it's been doing a series of lower lows, lower low and lower high. Fantastic. That will break out. I'll go back to 4 hours. Okay. Yeah. So what do we do? We're waiting for retest backward. Oh, retest and dump, or like this. So entry here, entry here. Let map it out. Or entry here. So we good. So that is the setup for AUD USD. Always remember to apply proper risk management. If it doesn't go our direction, fine, we're good. But wait for entry. Don't just come and enter here. Why? There is an impulsive move here, and it rallied with speed. So we expect the market to return back. Let's go to lower time frame and see the chances of it returning back. Okay, we have this. If this creates a double top around here, so we expect markets to retest and dump. Fantastic. And where are we looking out to target from? So we're looking out to target from here. This place. All right, so 50 pips to that place. Fantastic. More than 50 pips for our entry. That's 65.9 pips. Okay, fair. That's cool. So which other suggestion do we have? I'll just pick one. Our group. Okay, Freak of Football said, I've already purchased an account, but you haven't responded. Send me a message on Instagram. If you want fast response, send me a message on Instagram. David Dumoye 28. Send me a message there. Okay, that is it. If you say I'm not yet responding on WhatsApp, then send me a message on Instagram. All right, so do we have Forex based question? If you have Forex based question, you can start dropping them. I'll just take 5 to 10 minutes on that. Forex based question. Quickly. Yes, Samuel is suggesting CHF. While we wait for the question, let's check CHF Okay, fantastic. Okay, CHJPY is part of the trade you've been holding, as you can see. We've been in massive profits, and there's a return that a continuation that is likely going to happen. So let's go to fantastic. Thank you for bringing my mind to it. You see how fast I'm talking about it. That we have markets you expect market to come to this level, right? To approach. And we've been buying from here. This is a crazy sniper entry that we've had. So here is an opportunity for a re-entry. So let's find our re-entry in 15 minutes time frame. All right. Breakout, maybe. Breakout of trend line and what resistance that turned to support. Okay. So we have entry from where? Here. For those of us that want to join the trend, you can join the trend from here. And we buy, we continue riding the trend. So go to higher time frame. You can, for swing traders this week, sorry, for day traders, you can target to this point. Swing traders, you see the overall target. But day traders, you can start buying from here. So let's take note of the market we've looked into today for the week. Then by Sunday, most likely we'll have another market review. So we can look into November projection, what we have for November. So we look into GBPJPY, GBPJPY, CHFJPY, look into gold as well. All right, fantastic. What questions do we have? Michael said this level is intense for beginners. Don't worry, it's not difficult. It's not difficult. I just want you to see what you still have at the front to learn. Those of us are already doing well. They actually were in your position before, okay? Were in your position before. So it's not difficult. So when you get there, you understand. All right. So Skiddy said, I understand it, boss. Thank you so much. So I can't say any question. No question. No one has any question. I believe you understood what we have taught tonight. He said, sir, what about fundamentals? Obviously, you came late, Shanghai. Shanghai events, you came late. How do we trade with the news? I've done that. And I only did the one for free. So the one for mentorship, that's in the inner circle. There's still other strategies attached to trading the news, but I can't disclose that here. All right, boss, good evening. I missed a lot because I'm just joining. You can watch the playback now. Once I'm done with this video, it will be available for playbacks. Okay, I think that will be all for tonight's class. We've already done a lot. Please and please ensure you are trading live accounts. You only expected to use TENTRADE broker. Okay, TENTRADE broker. There are much more benefits you can make. Now, if you're trading a real account that is not funded account, okay, you stand a chance of winning amazing prizes. I see that some of you guys are not taking advantage of winning points so that you can claim your rewards. I've addressed this now, that you get paid for trading, whether you lose or not. Your lot size counts for you as a point. I've posted the explanation. Go to our YouTube video. You see why I talk about royalty point and loyalty point. It's there, available. Let's see if we can look into that. Okay. So here we are. Where to find the video? If you have not watched this my interview, you're not serious. And also this, you should have watched these two interviews here. Okay. Where's that loyalty? Yeah, loyalty. This video here. This is the video that explains everything that you need to know about getting rewards. Getting rewards, okay, for the loyalty points, okay. Sometimes I should explain liquidity. Liquidity is SMC class now. This is not SMC class. All right. So then we have our shorts. You can go there. We have the live past market review. You can, the past live that we've had, you can go back, watch them. You can know how I made 3.5 million trading the XAUSD. That was 1 month ago. You can go there, watch it. You can go back to equip yourself with the way we analyze the past market, you know, and also how I lost 500K, you know. So you can watch these videos, take your time. See, this is Forex. You want to make money, you ensure you study, implement what you study, be in class, follow up what we do, okay? Beautiful. So that is it. All right, so there we have it. So when this says, is trending markets more better than ranging markets? Yes, trending market is much better than that. Google, we first have watched the interview. Okay, beautiful. So I'm going to end it right here. So thank you so much for being part of the live tonight. Yeah. So we look forward for another live by Sunday, hopefully. Start trading with accounts. If you're a newbie, enroll in the academy. Start learning Forex the right way. Okay. So, but ensure that you focus on what? Making real money for yourself. If you are given an opportunity to make a commitment, you do so. Don't neglect that. Do so ASAP for your own good, except you want to be paying loud money to learn Forex. And if you're interested in physical private class with FX Media, that is available. That is for 500K. You've seen that I've been posting that physical private class. If you want a one-on-one mentorship with FX Media, you what? That one is a 300K. Each of these two package, they comes with a free $3,000 prop account. So that is when you enroll for a private physical mentorship or an online one-on-one mentorship, whichever one you enroll, you get a $3,000 funded account. Okay, TENTRADE funded account. That's a super amazing benefit. So how will I get a real account? You go to, hey Jesus, I've addressed this. Okay, go to a channel, go to any videos on YouTube here, open the sign up, go to the link, click on the link, sign up with FXMediaTrade.com. I'm not going to explain this again. All right, guys. So that is it. Thank you so much for being part of the live. Keep making money, do better this week. Be nice to people, always pray. All right. Stay safe out there. Keep getting better. Always keep your eyes on the bag. On the bag. It's money that matters. Okay. Be money minded. Money is very important. Money solves 99% of human problem. Okay. So don't forget that. Keep pushing, keep getting better. You're about to enter a new month. What are your plans for this new month? What are your plans for this week? How much money are you willing and ready to make? What vision do you have? As you write your trading plan, write your visions, ensure you walk towards that direction. Okay? So that is it. Thank you so much for being part of tonight's YouTube live. See you in the further one. All right. Bye.